Hello everyone, welcome to the Unacademy YouTube channel. This is your Sathyamoorthy V, and today we are going to discuss engineering mathematics mean value theorem from the calculus chapter. It's common for all the departments. The previous topic limits, it's not in the few departments GATE syllabus. It's mean value theorem. It's common for all the departments. Okay, right. I think already all the learners are aware of it. Already many times we have discussed about the compact. India's largest weekly competition for GATE Unacademy compact. Access your GATE preparation in 60 minutes. Challenging and original GATE questions curated by the best educators in the Unacademy platform. And to enroll into the Unacademy compact, use the referral code Moorthy536 and take it live to compete with the best. Super fast and fun with All India live leaderboard. Identify and improve your weak areas through the detailed video solutions. After completing the compact test, for the compact questions, you will get the detailed video solution in the app itself, Unacademy app itself. Already June 6th and 13th, 2 Sunday compact test over for this month. Next tomorrow at 11 AM and next week Sunday 11 AM. There are 2 more compact tests available in the Unacademy platform. Use this opportunity so you can get the free subscription in the Unacademy platform, GATE ESE category. Then price hike will be there. Price hike coming soon for the GATE ESE category. And to beat the price hike, and try to subscribe now itself. Okay, if you subscribe now itself, so you can avoid the price hike. And Spark GATE 2022 and Wave GATE 2023 mechanical engineering, complete mechanical engineering subjects in batch B. Praveen Kulkarni sir, Devendra Singh Nehi, Vivekanandan and myself, we 4 together handling the complete course for the mechanical engineering. So this is the only batch course covers the engineering mathematics and general aptitude along with the courses by the core faculty members. And already the course started 16th June 2021, and this is the right time to take the subscription in the platform. Then you can prepare the complete syllabus in the Unacademy platform itself. And Laksha as well as Harohan, there are 2 batches for the mechanical engineering. Batch B, we are starting with the August Tyagi sir, theory of machines, 10:45 AM and 23rd June. And use the referral code Moorthy536 to get the maximum discount, 10% discount in the platform. Today's topic, today we are going to discuss about the engineering mathematics mean value theorem from the calculus chapter, and it's a continuation of the continuity and differentiability. And mean value theorem, it's very important as well as easy method, only one formula. By applying the only one formula, we are going to crack all the previous year questions. Coming to the Lagrange's mean values theorem. Lagrange's mean value theorem states that let a function f of x satisfies the following 2 conditions. What are the conditions as per the Lagrange's mean value theorem? Mean value theorem is derived by the Lagrange, so that's why we are calling it as Lagrange's mean value theorem. F of x is a continuous in a closed interval a comma b, and f of x is a differentiable in the open interval. So what is the difference in between the closed interval as well as open interval? Now it's coming to the closed interval. It's closed interval a less than or equal to, in case if you take some value x less than or equal to b, it includes the extreme point also, a and b also in the closed interval, and it must be continuous in the closed interval. And f of x is differentiable in the open interval. F of x is differentiable. Open interval means a less than x less than b. Open interval does not include the extreme points a and b. Only the closed interval includes the extreme points a and b also. F of x is continuous in a closed interval a comma b. F of x is differentiable in the open interval a comma b. Right. So these, if the function satisfies these 2 conditions, then there exists at least one point c dash in the open interval. When the function continues in the closed interval as well as differentiable in the open interval means, and one point c, it might lies in between the a and b. So the intermediate point is identified through the Lagrange's mean value theorem. So how we are going to identify? If you know the values of the extreme points, end points, by using the Lagrange's mean value theorem, we are identifying the intermediate point. It's like an interpolation. And formula for the Lagrange's mean value theorem. Now f dash of c. So here c, the point c is the point in between the two limits a and b. C here I am denoting it as C. F dash of C, it's equal to formula f of A, f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. So this is the formula for the Lagrange's mean value theorem. As per the Lagrange's mean value theorem, we are going to identify, in case they are giving the point A to B, and if the function satisfies following these two conditions, then there is a intermediate point for the function. It lies in between the A and B. That point we are going to take it as C. That point value of C is identified through the Lagrange's mean value theorem. That is the f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. Is it okay? Next one. And one example problem, now I am going to explain it. After that, we are going to discuss few multiple choice questions from the Lagrange's mean value theorem category. Students, in case if you are having any doubt, so kindly ping your doubt in the chat box. Okay. Verify the Lagrange's mean value theorem for the function. The function they are giving. So we need to verify the function f of x is equal to x cube plus x square in the interval. It's open interval or closed interval. Look at this condition. It's open interval or closed interval. It's an closed interval. It's an closed interval. It's a closed interval. Now the extreme points are a is equal to minus 1, it's b is equal to 2. So these are the extreme points. Now we need to identify the function. We know the formula for the Lagrange's mean value theorem formula. So this is the Lagrange's mean value theorem formula. F dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. The value of a and b already given in the question itself, end points. Now f of a, instead of a we are going to substitute minus 1. In this function x is replaced by minus 1. Minus 1 the whole cube plus minus 1 the whole square. Minus 1 plus 1. Therefore f of a is equal to 0. The value of f of a, it's equal to 0. Is it clear now? Okay. Now f dash of c, we require the value of f dash of c. In that point f dash of c, we need to differentiate the function. We need to differentiate the function one time with respect to x. So while differentiating the function, what we are getting there? What will be the value? Yes, I will derive it. Listen, it's f of x. F of x, it's equal to x cube plus x square. Now f dash of x is equal to, what will be the value of f dash of x? It's a 3x square plus 2x. 3x square plus 2x. So this is the value, right? Now here I am giving it. Instead of x, the intermediate point, we are going to substitute c. It's equal to 3c square plus 2c. So this is what we have substituted here, right? 3c square plus 2c. The point c we need to identify. Now f of 2 is equal to, it's 12, minus f of minus 1 is equal to 0 divided by b minus a. B is equal to 2 minus of 1. Now 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Now the value, it's 4. Now take this value 4 onto the LHS side. 3c square plus 2c minus 4 is equal to 0. Minus 4 is equal to 0. So we need to use the plus or minus formula. Now as per the quadratic equation, minus b plus or minus. Now c is equal to minus b. Minus 2 plus or minus root of b square 4 minus 4ac. It's 12 into 4. Yeah, it's 48. Right? It's 48 divided by 2 into 3. 2a. Now it's minus 2 plus or minus root of 52 divided by 6. Root of 52 divided by 6. Now take the 2 outside. While taking this 2 outside, and 2 cancel, minus 1 plus or minus root 13 divided by 3. It's a value, root 13 divided by 3. Now C value is equal to, there are two values for the C. C is equal to minus 1 plus root 3 divided by 3, minus 1 minus root 13. Sorry, it's not root 3, it's root 13. It's a root 13. Root 13 divided by 3. Now C is equal to minus 1 minus root 13 divided by 3. Now we need to check the point which one is lies inside the given limit. So as per the Lagrange's mean value theorem, the intermediate point must lies in between the two given extreme points. Minus 1, 2 are the two extreme points. So the value, the C point must lies inside the point. And if you take the value, it's a plus 1 plus root 13 divided by 3. So here, what will be the value of root 13? Root 13 minus 1 divided by 2. It's equal to 1.3. The value for this C, first one. In terms of the decimal points I am giving. Now C is equal to 1.302. Here C is equal to, what about the C? Minus 13. Minus root of 13 minus 1 divided by, oh sorry, actually it's a divided by 3, right? Root 13 minus 1 divided by 3, it's equal to 0.86. Okay, I am giving it, listen. 0.86. This value of C I am giving. C is equal to 0.868. Now the second one, C, root of minus 13 minus 1 divided by 3, it's equal to minus 1.5, minus 1.535. And if you compare these two values, now the limit it must be minus 1 to 2. So here the first one, the C plus, it lies inside the given limit. Yeah, it's inside, right? It's inside the given limit, inside the given limit, right? Is it okay now? One more thing, it's minus 1 divided by 5, it's outside. Okay, so the only point, which are the point lies inside the given interval, it will be considered as intermediate point. So now C is the intermediate point, it lies in between the minus 1 comma 2. Right, so the Lagrange's mean value theorem, as per the Lagrange's mean value theorem, so we have identified the value for C. Now the few example questions as well as previous questions we are going to discuss in the part of mean value theorem. Now verify Lagrange's mean value theorem and find the value of C. By using the Lagrange's mean value theorem, we need to identify the value of C, intermediate point. So what it mean by intermediate point? Point A, here be in between these 2 points, we need to identify the value of C. So what will be the value? F of x they are giving. The formula is f dash of C is equal to, it's f of B minus f of A, it's whole divided by B minus A. Now what will be the f of x? F of x they are giving. Now f of B is equal to f of A. F of A is equal to, it's f of 2. It's, if you substitute 2 into 2 the whole square minus 7 into 2 plus 10, it's equal to 8 minus 14 plus 10. What will be the value here? 18 minus 14, it's equal to 4. It's equal to 4. Now f of B is equal to f of 5. 2 into, it's a 5 square minus 7 into 5 plus 10. What will be the value? It's 25 into 2 is equal to 50. 50 minus 35 plus 10. Now 60 minus 35. What will be the 60 minus 35? It's f of B is equal to 21. Now we require the value of f dash of C. Here we require the value of f dash of C. Now as per the f dash of C, now it's f dash of C is equal to 4x, the function is differentiated with respect to x one time, and f dash of C is equal to 4x minus 7. Now substitute it's a f dash of x. Now f dash of c, instead of x we are replacing c, 4c minus 7. Now substitute all the values into the formula. So we need to substitute into the formula. 4c minus 7 is equal to f of b 21, f of a 4 divided by 5 minus 2. It's equal to, it's 25. Here it's 25, not 21, it's 25. 60 minus 35, 25. Now it's 21 divided by 3. 21 divided by 3. The 21 divided by 3 is equal to value 7. It's equal to 7. Now 4c is equal to 14. C is equal to 14 divided by 4, which is equal to 7 divided by 2. C value is equal to 7 divided by 2. Now the 7 divided by 2 is equal to, it's a 3.5, right? So the 3.5 lies inside the given limit. In between the 2 and 5, the value of C lies. So the value of C as per the Lagrange's mean value theorem, it's B. Here, it's option B is the Lagrange's mean value theorem. The one more question I am going to give you. Okay, listen the question carefully. It's very important one, repeatedly coming topic, Lagrange's mean value theorem in the competitive exams. Now, find the value of C using the Lagrange's mean value theorem. The one more part, Lagrange's mean value theorem part, I'm going to give you. Listen it carefully. Now, again, same formula. We need to use the A, it's B, intermediate point C we need to identify. Now it's a function f dash of C is equal to Lagrange's mean value theorem. It's f of B minus f of A, which is whole divided by B minus A. B minus A. Now the function f of A is equal to, it's f of minus 3 is equal to, it's root of 25 minus 3 the whole square. It's equal to 25 minus 9 is equal to, what about the value of 25 minus 9? It's 16. Root of 16 is equal to, it's 4. Actually it's a plus or minus 4. We are going to take the value as 4. Now f of B, it's equal to f of 4. It's equal to root of 25 minus 4 square. It's equal to root of 9. It's equal to 3. Now the function f of x, so we need to identify the f dash of x value. Now it's f of x is equal to, we can write, it's 25 minus x square power 1 divided by 2. It's a root is equal to power 1 divided by 2. So this is the value. Is it clear now? Okay. Now differentiate it. F dash of x, if you differentiate the value, 1 divided by 2, x power n differentiation equal to n into x power n minus 1. The same, it's a function, single function. So 1 divided by 2, 25 minus x square, 1 divided by 2 minus 1 into, again x square differentiation equal to minus x square. It's a minus 2x. Now 2 cancel. This 2 and 2 cancel. It's equal to minus x divided by 25. So this is what we need to substitute. 25 minus x square, the whole power 1 divided by 2. Power minus 1 divided by 2 is taken into the denominator. It's plus. So minus x divided by 25 minus x square, the whole power 1 divided by 2. Now substitute the value of C here. Okay, listen, it's equal to, now f dash of C is equal to minus C divided by 25 minus C square, the whole power 1 divided by 2. Whole power 1 divided by 2. Now as per the formula we need to substitute, it's minus x divided by 25 minus x square, the whole power 1 divided by 2. F of B is equal to 3 minus f of A is equal to 4 divided by, it's B minus A. B minus A is equal to 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. What will be the value? It's minus 1 divided by, it's 7. Minus 1 divided by 7. So this is the value. Now cross multiply it. While multiplying it, what we are going to get? it's 7x, it's equal to 25 minus x square into power 1 divided by 2, right? So what we are doing here, we are doing the cross multiplication here. This denominator minus 7 is multiplied with minus, yes, sorry, 7 is multiplied with x, then the denominator 25 minus x square the whole power 1 divided by 2 is multiplied with 1. So it's 7x is equal to 25 minus x square the whole power 1 divided by 2. Now square on both sides. Square on both sides. If you square the values on both sides, what we are getting here, it's a square. If you square the value, 49x square is equal to, it's 25 minus x square. Now 50x square is equal to 25. Now x square is equal to 1 divided by 2. Now x is equal to plus or minus 1 divided by root 2. The value for x is equal to plus or minus 1 divided by 2. So we need to check the value which one is lies in between the given limits. Both minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2, both lies inside the limits, right? Both lies inside the given limit. So it's option D. The solution for this question is option D. Yes, here option D is the right answer. Is it okay now? Okay. So I will give you the one more question to you. Easiest part. Find the value of C again using the Lagrange's mean value theorem. As per the Lagrange's mean value theorem, we need to identify. So now again the same condition, it's f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A divided by B minus A. It's A, it's B. Now f of A is equal to f of 0, it's sine 0. Sine 0 is equal to 0. It's f of B is equal to f of pi divided by 2. F of pi divided by 2, it's a sine pi divided by 2. Sine pi divided by 2 is equal to 1. Now f dash of x, the next condition, f dash of x is equal to, it's a cos x. F dash of C is equal to, it's a cos C. Now substitute as per the formula, cos C is equal to f of B minus f of A, 1 minus 0 divided by pi by 2 minus 0. Now cos is equal to, cos C is equal to 2 divided by pi. What about the C? It's a cos inverse of 2 divided by pi. C value as per the limit, it's a 2 divided by pi is the in between the 0 to pi by 2. It lies in between the 0 to pi by 2 as per the Lagrange's mean value theorem, and solution for this question is equal to cos inverse of 2 divided by pi. It's B. Your option B is the right answer. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now we are going to discuss few previous year questions from the Lagrange's mean value theorem. Then you will get some idea about the Lagrange's mean value theorem. Now coming to this question, it's a GATE Mechanical Engineering 2018 set 1 mark question. Hi Jaswant. Yes. Hi, x is equal to plus or minus 2. Yes, it's 1 divided by plus or minus 2. Now coming to this question, actually it's A, right? The question, according to the mean value theorem, for the continuous function f of x in the interval closed interval a comma b, there is a exist point C, that is zeta they are giving, there is a exist point C, okay, in the interval such that, so what will be the value? So if you take the value, we know that as per the Lagrange's mean value theorem, now it's f dash of zeta is equal to f of b minus f of a, which are whole divided by b minus a. We know that the integral value is equal to, if you differentiate it, if you differentiate it, it's capital F of x, the limit a to b, upper limit minus lower limit, that is f of b minus f of a. So this is the value they are asking, f of b minus a. Now actually it's dash, without dash they are giving, right? Exist value they are giving directly, value they are giving, it must be dash. So with dash or without dash, and if you consider value f of zeta, dash of zeta into b minus a. So this is the solution, it's option A. Is it okay now? According to the mean value theorem, for a continuous function f of x in the interval a comma b, there exists a value zeta in this interval such that it's a to b, f of x into dx is equal to, this is a function as per the mean value theorem, right? The one more question, mean value theorem, it's a civil engineering GATE 2005 question. It's a very interesting question. It's 2-mark question from the civil engineering. A rail engine accelerates from its stationary position for 8 seconds and travels a distance of 280 meter distance of 280 meter. According to the mean value theorem, the speedometer at a certain time during the acceleration must be read exactly. What will be the reading of the acceleration? So what is meant by velocity? What is meant by velocity? Students, are you there? It's distance covered by the time period. Velocity, be aware of it. Velocity is equal to x divided by, that means dx divided by dt. So we can take it as distance divided by time period. Distance divided by time period. So we can take it, right? Is it clear? It's a velocity. Yes. Now acceleration. So what is meant by acceleration? The rate of change of velocity is called as acceleration. Rate of change of acceleration is called as acceleration. Sorry, rate of change of velocity. Now acceleration is equal to, so we can take that value is equal to dx divided by dt. That dx divided by dt, what we are going to take the dx divided by dt, rate of change. So final value minus initial value, x2 minus x1 divided by time t2 minus t1. What will be the unit for the acceleration? Oh sorry, they are asking only velocity, not the acceleration. Fine. The rate of change of distance is equal to velocity. So we can directly take accelerometer reading, it will show the speed only, not the acceleration, right? According to the mean value theorem, speedometer at certain time during the acceleration, while accelerating the accelerator. So what will be the speed, velocity? It's dx divided by change in distance divided by change in time period is called as velocity. It's x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1. So we can write the dx and dt value, right? Dx as plus what is the unit here? It's meter per second. Velocity is equal to meter per second. Now we need to identify what will be the initial value of time period and initial distance. At time t is equal to 0, at t is equal to 0, distance is equal to 0. Okay. At when we reach the 8 second, when time period is equal to 8 seconds, and distance also is equal to 280 meter. At the time of 0 second, 0 distance traveled, and after 8 second it have reached 280 meter. So within the 8 second it reached the 280 meter means. So what will be the speed in terms of kilometer per hour? Yes, very good, Ambati. Okay, Nagasri Shai Ambati, it's right, it's option D. Yes, very good, right answer. Now it's a rate of change. Now we need to substitute the velocity. What will be the value of velocity? So now I'm going to give you the velocity here. Velocity is equal to initial final distance 280 meter minus 0 meter divided by time period 8 second minus 0 second. don't worry, Empathy. So you can get good government job, and if you crack the competitive exams, it's equal to 280 divided by 8 meter per second. They are asking in terms of kilometer per hour. We know 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1000 divided by 3600 meter per second. That means it's equal to 5 divided by 18 meter per second. And if you want 1 meter per second into kilometer per hour, 1 meter per second is equal to 18 divided by 5 kilometer per hour. So we are going to convert this value, right? Now multiply the 280 divided by 8 into 18 divided by 5. It's equal to 126 kilometer per hour. Now as per the mean value theorem, according to the mean value theorem, it's the rate of change, right? Intermediate point. So this is where we are going to take the value f of b, f of a, the final point, initial point. It's 126 kilometer per hour. Is it clear now? Mean value theorem. The one more question I'm going to give you. You will get some idea about the mean value theorem. Now it's a GATE electrical engineering 2013 question. Function y is equal to 5x square plus 10x is defined over an open interval. X is equal to 1, 2 at least at one point in this interval. So while taking this value, so what will be the dy divided by dx? What will be the y they are giving? This is the function. So this is the function y dash of x, that is equal to dy divided by dx. So this is the value. We need to identify. In the interval 1, 2 they are giving. It's equal to f of b minus f of a. It's a whole divided by b minus a. It's a, it's b. As per the mean value theorem, we need to solve. So what they are mentioning, so how to identify it is the mean value theorem. This is the key point. At least one point in this interval. Means it belongs to the mean value theorem. Okay. So by using the mean value theorem, it's a formula for the mean value theorem. Now it's f of b. So what will be the value of f of a? F of a is equal to f of 1. It's equal to 5 into 1 square plus 10. It's equal to 15. The value is equal to 15. Is it clear now? It's 15. Now f of b is equal to, it's f of 2, 5 into 2 the whole square plus 10 into 2. It's equal to 4 into 20, 20, and it's 10 into 2, it's 20. Yeah. It's equal to not f dash of. What does not exist? And as per the mean value theorem, we are not going to identify the intermediate point. Only the function we are taking, right? In case they are asking the intermediate value, so then we need to equate the formula, then we need to take the value into the LHS side. But they are asking only the differential function, not the intermediate point. Is it clear now? Okay. That f dash of c, here the f dash of c is called as y dash of c. Okay, fine. Now coming to the question, now it's dy divided by dx. It's equal to the function. The functional value is equal to 40 minus 15 divided by 2 minus 1. It's equal to 25. In case they are asking the intermediate point, then we need to substitute 10x plus 10. Instead of the x, we need to substitute c. Then the value 25 is taken onto the LHS side. Yes, it's a B is right. I think it's clear for all the learners, right, guys? So I'm handling the complete course on engineering mathematics in the Plus platform. Complete course on the engineering mathematics. Complete course on engineering mathematics for GATE 2022 in Unacademy Plus. In Unacademy Plus platform, right? So try to, okay. And Unacademy fees, yes, I will tell you, Ampati. Then fees. Now the fees, we are going to increase the fees in the forthcoming weeks, right? Now the Unacademy fees. Now the current fees for the 12 months, it's 30,250. If you apply my referral code, if you apply the referral code Moorthy 536, MOORTHY 536, then you will get 10% offer. Then after the 10% offer, you need to pay 27,225. In case if you are having, yes, date, I will explain it, Mohammad Yunus. Actually 12 months is a phase. For the 18 months, 24 months, if you increase the number of months, the fees will be reduced, but it will be increased. These price hike will be there, right? So this fees will be increased in the forthcoming month. So try to subscribe now itself. So I am giving complete clarification. Many students, they are attending the Plus platform, they are getting the benefits, complete benefits through the Plus platform, okay, in Unacademy Plus. So already I have started the course, and up to the July 18th, okay, already I have started. The same fees, ESE also, GATE and ESE, there is no separate fees for the GATE and ESE, only one fees. For the GATE, one fees, GATE and ESE, only one fees. The same platform, we are going to teach all the content. So already I have started the course March 22, July 20. So now already 4th chapter over, 5th chapter now, probability and statistics, very important chapters, I have started yesterday. And if you take the Plus course, then you can crack the questions very easily. I am going to explain all the concepts from its basics. And YouTube also, you are getting only the minimum content, right? In the Plus platform, complete content will be explained from its basics, all the chapters. After completing the each chapter from its basics, the practice questions, example questions, followed by the previous year question. Previous 20 years questions will be discussed for the engineering mathematics from all the department previous year questions, okay. So try to take the Plus subscription now itself to crack the GATE very easily, GATE 2022 as well as 2023. This course is common for all departments, it's common for all branches. Common to all branches. So try to take the Plus, and tomorrow we are going to start the maxima and minima. Tomorrow, that means next session, coming Monday. Yes, not I'm only teaching. So I'm a few more faculty members, engineering mathematics faculty members, they are teaching the complete course separately. So I am handling complete engineering mathematics course in English, okay. So you can get the complete clarification. All the topics will be discussed from its zero. If you doesn't know anything regarding the engineering mathematics, don't worry. I will make you 100% okay, strong in the engineering mathematics if you enter into the Plus platform. Okay, thank you students. Okay, see you, we will meet in the next session.